Good day to you. Welcome to another chapter in my car with my cigar. I'm your host, Arnold Tate. I'm lighting up this Oya Red. Tried the Oya Black the other day because I had seen it on one of my fellow YouTubers' channel. Should I smoke this? And I also asked you guys to subscribe to them. So I'm going to finish lighting this up, and then we're going to talk about kindness. A lot of people have the idea about appearing too soft when they exercise kindness. Then there are other people who feel that you don't want a person to think you're so kind because they'll ask you for things. But I'm challenging you to exercise a little more kindness when you're out and about, in your home, in your community, in your church. Because the kindness that is needed has to be awakened. When you are kind, because you can do it, yes, you can. When you are kind to someone, it is the least difficult thing that you can do. When you are kind to someone, it is the most unbelievable, beautiful thing that you can do. When you are kind to someone, something happens inside of you. And I know a lot of people give you that pushback and they don't want to buy into it and they don't want to accept that as a way of life, nor are they willing to accept it as a lifestyle. But I'm challenging you. We have to teach a whole bunch of people, a lot of people older than us, many people smarter than us, that kindness is the way. Being kind to your children, being kind to your neighbor, allowing your children to watch you being kind to other people, or watching your peers to watch you be kindly to other people, allowing your family and absolute strangers to watch you do that. It has an amazing effect on them. And there's always some down talk. Oh, oh man, you was too nice. Oh, girl, you should have. No. This is the way. This should be the only way. And it all begins with you and me. Being kind is not the new normal. It's the always has been normal. And when you choose to be kind, then you begin to etch a little closer to greatness. This is Arnold Tate, Mr. Dad Tate, in my car with my cigar, asking you to like and share this video. Also, check out Mr. Meditate. I promise it'll change your perspective. Make it a great day. Bye now.